Hello, this is David Wood. I'm responsible for sales and marketing here at Quartz Imaging. Thanks for attending our Tools of the Trade session. We're going to do a quick flyover on FA-LIMS, our Laboratory Information Management System for failure analysis, as well as materials characterization labs. As per our tagline, the objective of this and all of our software is to help you create a faster and smarter lab. Some of the things that contribute to that is the system's ability to automate routine tasks and implement rules and policies in your lab. Communication is improved as well as on-time performance. You can identify bottlenecks, and experience shows that our clients increase their lab productivity by at least 20% with the implementation of FA-LIMS. The first version of FA-LIMS was deployed back in the late 90s. It's always been designed to be highly configurable. It's the only LIMS system designed for the electronic device and semiconductor industries. And an important differentiator is the integration of our PCI software into the server-based LIMS system really provides a lot of benefits to the analysts and to lab management that no other LIMS system can deliver. The process starts with someone inside or outside of your organization, whomever you've given access to, coming into the system and submitting a job request. The system can support multiple job types, with each job type having their own workflow and set of forms and statuses as well. Once the job is into the lab, we have a lot of lab management functions. This screenshot shows an example of a job queue view. This can be organized by job type, by priority, job status, any combination of any of the fields that are in your system. One of the other popular aspects of the lab management suite of tools is the task manager. The task manager allows you to assign a recipe of tasks to a job and assign each task to individuals and provide other information related to that task. Data acquisition is achieved primarily through our Quartz PCI software, which will be installed on all of your instruments, whether they be imaging instruments or non-imaging instruments. Dealing with images is in our DNA, and for non-imaging instruments, we have a virtual printer driver to deal with any file type that the instrument might produce. We also have a send to icon on the desktop that will take any digital file or folder of files and put it into your FA-LIMS database in the appropriate location. PCI also includes a very powerful job report generator. This can save a tremendous amount of time by automatically putting the data and associated metadata into a predefined report template, and from which you can continue on your narration in our application, or you can export it to Microsoft Word or Excel to complete that work. System includes a lot of management and administrative tools. Without getting into the full list here, I'll just talk about probably one of the most important ones, and that is the functions to create security in your system. And these functions basically allow you at a very granular level to determine who can see what and who can do what within the FA-LIMS system. FA-LIMS also includes search capabilities. You can search for data or for jobs. You're able to search on any field that's in your database. We also use keywords, and the system also utilizes full text indexing. FA-LIMS also includes management reporting, which can be displayed in a dashboard, which has proven very valuable for running meetings and giving access to senior management to look in to see how things are going on in the lab. These charts are generated through a very comprehensive chart manager, and includes all the sorts of filtering, labeling that you are used to seeing, for example, in an application like Excel. Other important aspects of FA-LIMS includes its ability to support outsourcing to both other internal as well as external labs. The system interfaces with other databases. The data fields can support a number of Asian languages, and we can support any number of worldwide sites with the ability to provide a central data warehouse. Also important to note that our FA LIMS system integrates with RE LIMS for reliability and quality assurance labs. Thanks very much for watching, and we're going to be available at the end of the tour to answer any questions.